Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from the dynamics by Hibbeler, and they have a freight train that travels at the velocity of 6 times 1 minus e to the power of negative t foot per second, where t is the elapsed time in seconds. We need to determine the distance traveled in 3 seconds, so we have the time, and also the acceleration at this time. So we know that the velocity would be derivative of the distance with respect to time. So if we just cross multiply this, we have ds is equal to v dt. And if we just do the integral on each side, we have the distance from 0 to s, and the time would be because the question is asking for the 3 seconds from 0 to 3. So on the left side, we're going to get s equal to the integral of 0 to 3v, which is the value that we have, 6 times 1 negative. And if we want to find this integral, we can take out 60. And from the first one, we're going to get t. And from the second one, we have e to the minus t. And this will be from 0 to 3. So if we just put 3 in here, we have 3 plus e to the negative 3. And we can see if we just put the 0 in here from the first one, we're going to get 0. And from the second one, we have 0 plus e to the minus zeros, which is going to be 1. So at the end, we're going to have 60, 3 minus 1, so 2 plus e to the negative 3. And let's see what we get for this. So 60 times 2 plus e to the negative 3. Yeah, so if we just round it up and make it to 3 significant figures, it's going to be 123 feet. So that's the distance that the question is asking after 3 seconds. So we found the distance. We also have to figure out the acceleration, and acceleration would be derivative of the velocity with respect to time. And basically we have derivative of the v. If you look at it, it's this formula that we have. Again, we can take the 60 out as our constant. The derivative of 1 with respect to t is going to be 0, and derivative of negative e to the minus t would be plus e to the negative t. So this is going to be 60 times e to the negative t, and because we're asked to find after 3 seconds, the acceleration would be 60 times e to the negative 3. Let's see what we get for this. So 60 e to the negative 3, and yeah, that's going to give us 2.99 foot per second squared. And yeah, the final answer for this question. Everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.